Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, My Excel New Learnings. Today I have three interesting topics on adding the values. That is sum if and some ifs. Today I will show you how these three functions are useful in our daily life. So we will start with the sum. The sum is a very easy one and it is for beginners. It is very useful. How to sum? If I want to sum this amount for these colors, so how the sum works? You have to type equal to sum and tab out and you select this range and close the bracket, and if you enter it will give you the total of this column. So this column is 3340. So it works with from the left side to equal to sum, then tab out. If I want to add this quantity and amount, select the cell E, comma, and the amount, then close bracket, and it will gives you the total of quantity plus amount. If you drag it down, it's automatic adds these two values, and there is a shortcut for this. So I will place this cursor on this cell, and if I click on auto sum, it auto selects the range. When you enter, it gives you the result. Even this also works from this side too. If I click on this column G2 and if I click on auto sum, it automatically captures the values. It will not select the text. It selects only the values, numerical values. If you enter, it gives the total of quantity plus amount. If you drag it down, it's automatically calculates the quantity and amount of the each cell. So this is how sum works. You can type manually or you can use this auto sum function. So now next we will see how the sum if works. Sum if function is used to sum the values in a range that meets the criteria. It means that with the criteria we can sum. This sum it works only in this range. If you give a criteria, it will not work. So for that we have to use sum if. So here we have some data for colors, quantity and amount. So here we have done criteria for only we have to amount and quantity for red color. So here it is sum if. It is asking for the range. Our range is in the column B, which are colors. I have selected this range, then comma, and now it is asking for the criteria for which color you want to sum. I want to sum for only red. Then where is my sum range? I want the how many the red quantity it is having. So the quantity is here. So I select the quantity column and bracket close and enter. So it gives me red quantity is 95. This we will confirm. This is 5, 20, and here one it is 70. So it is 70 plus 20, 90 plus 5, 95. We got the right answer. Now we will sum the amount. So sum if, again the range is here. Our criteria is here red, and now the change is now we want sum for the amount. So we will select this range, bracket close and enter. So here is the result what we got, 1150. So how this sum if works with the criteria, but sum if the works only with one single criteria. If we want to use for multiple criteria, so we need to use sum ifs. So in this third sheet I have the multiple criteria like red and code A, then quantity, amount, then sections. So we will use two criteria. One is red with the code A. We want the total quality for red plus A. So we will start our formula with some ifs. Then it is asking for some range. So we want the quantity total of red plus A. We will select some range, then comma. Then now the criteria range is here, then comma. Then our criteria 1, that is red, that is in the I column. So we select the I as red and comma. Now the second criteria is code range, which is in the C column. Now the criteria 2 is A. We want to sum for red for code A. So here you close the bracket, and if you enter, it gives you the quantity as 95. It same works with for the amount also. If we type sum if, so it is our sum range is in. For amount we will select column E range, then the criteria 1 range. This is our color for red, to search the red one in this range. Then comma, the criteria 1 is red, color red. Then criteria range for code, this column. Now criteria 2 is red plus A. So now we have all the criterias, and we are done. Now close the bracket and enter. Here is the answer for multiple criterias. This is how sum if works. For red plus the code is A, quantity is 95 and the amount is 1150. This is how you can use for multiple criterias. A single range you can use sum. If you have a one criteria to sum the values, you can use sum if you have multiple criteria to sum the values, you can use sum ifs. This is how these three functions work. Thank you for watching. Please share, subscribe and like. I will be back with the